Hey there everybody, Joey here. Today I'm going to be testing a new microphone setup that I got for my iPhone. It's the Ulanzi J12 lapel microphones. I guess you consider these lapel microphones. Right now I'm just recording on my iPhone 12 Pro, so the audio you're hearing from this is coming from my iPhone. Now, let me get this out. Now the Ulanzi J12 comes in a little case like this. Now this case is also a charger for the microphones. Now what comes in here is this is a little transmitter, and as you can see it has the lightning port right here. Now that thing plugs into the side of your iPhone right there, and then it picks up the information sent to the microphone. So there's the microphone right here. It's got a little clip there, so I can clip that right there. So I'm going to test this to see what it sounds like and to see if it's a good purchase. I got this on Amazon for about I think it was about $39. I actually got it as a gift, but I know at the time it was about $39 or $40. So right now you're listening to the audio coming from the iPhone 12 Pro, and then I'm going to set this up and we'll see if the audio is better coming from the Ulanzi J12. Okay, so now I have the receiver plugged in there. Oh, I guess I should be talking into this. So now I have the Ulanzi J12 microphone set up here. And obviously I don't need to be holding it. I could be putting it on my lapel right here. Ooh, hopefully that's not terrible sound. Okay, so as you can see, the lapel's here. Actually, let me. Okay, so now I have the lapel mic set up right there, and I just want to listen to the sound, hear how it sounds. Now there's a few things you can do with this microphone. You can mute it, and it's going to take a while for me to get to learn the different button functions, but if I press it twice, let me see. So I just muted it by pressing on the button twice, and hopefully you didn't hear any sound coming from here. So that's cool. It also has an echo function, so let's test out the echo function. So I pressed the button 3 times, and it should be echoey right now. I don't really know what you would use that for or what the function would be, but there's an echo function. So let's go back to normal. Okay, so now it should be on its normal function. So yeah, the next thing I'm going to test on this is the distance. So I'm only about 2 feet away from the camera from the iPhone right now, and I'm going to just walk back. I'm probably getting much smaller and smaller, but hopefully the sound quality stays the same. So I'm about as far as back as I can, and obviously the sound from the camera wouldn't be this good, but hopefully the sound from the microphone is good. I'm going to tap on this right here. Tap, 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 tap. So you can tell that it's far. So that is the distance test. Now, if I were to turn my back and not have a direct line of sight, I don't think the sound would be as good. But if you're facing the camera and you want to step back and you want to, I don't know, talk about nature or something like that, I think it'd be good. It also has some wind reduction functions, and I think I just press, oh, I press that once or twice. Oh no, that was mute. I muted it again. Anyways, I'll have to figure out how that is. So that was just my quick test of the Ulanzi J12 mic system. This one is compatible with the iPhone, because it has the iPhone thing in it. This is the holder, but it's also a charger, so you can charge the mics. And it comes with 2 different mics there. So if one goes down or you lose battery power, you can just put it in here to charge, and then you have another one right here. The other good thing is the receiver. You don't need power to go to the receiver. It gets all the power from the iPhone, so you can do that. And also you can plug in a external battery and charge your phone through the receiver. So it's got some cool functions to it. I really like it. I just listened to the sound, and it sounds good to me. It sounds like usable sound, definitely usable sound that I can use if I'm doing, an interview or, short film. Maybe I could probably hide this, probably underneath a piece of clothing or something. So anyways, that was just my quick test. I wanted to do a sound test, and I think it sounds pretty good. Let me know what you think, if you think it's a good purchase or not, or if you have any better suggestions. Maybe, I think I'll use this. Again, that's the Ulanzi J12. That's what it looks like right there. I'll put a link to the Amazon, just like all the other YouTubers do. I'll put a link to it, and if you like it, you can click on it. And this hasn't been a review, actually, it's just been a test. So I bought this, or I got this on my own, so it's not sponsored by anybody. Just my own honest review, the Ulanzi J12. I like it. I think it sounds great. So that was my test. Let me know what you think.